First, navigate to the TradingView website and log into your account. This step is crucial as it provides access to your personal and subscription details. Once logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page, where you'll find your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a menu. From this menu, select Account and Billing. This section is where TradingView consolidates all your account management needs, including subscription details. Within Account and Billing, you'll see an overview of your current subscription status. Here, look for a section labeled My Plan. It's important to review your subscription details before proceeding, ensuring you're fully informed about the plan you're canceling. After reviewing, you'll find an option to cancel subscription. Clicking on this will initiate the cancellation process. TradingView may ask you to provide a reason for cancellation. This step is optional, but helps improve their service. After selecting or skipping this step, you'll proceed to confirm your cancellation. It's important to carefully read the final confirmation message as it includes details about the end of your subscription term and any services that will be discontinued. Upon confirming your cancellation, you'll receive an email from TradingView acknowledging your decision and outlining any next steps or important dates to remember, such as the exact date your access to premium features will end. When on the free tier, you'll still be able to trade through TradingView with your Trade Nation account.